Welcome back to Personal Development. I'm here today to embark on a transformative journey. We're diving into the art of turning nothing into something extraordinary. If you've ever wondered how to transform your dreams into reality, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Picture this: your wildest dreams, those audacious goals that seem out of reach. They're not just ideas anymore. They're pulsating with life, as real in your mind as they will be in the physical world. Stick around because I'm about to share with you 5 mind-blowing strategies that will turn those dreams into a dazzling reality. Are you ready for the magic? Let's jump right in. Step 1. Ignite your imagination. To turn nothing into something, we must begin with the spark of imagination. Think of it as your personal superpower. It's the ability to create a world of possibilities right here in your mind. Immerse yourself in seminars, sermons, song lyrics, and the testimonials of others. These are the keys that unlock the treasure chest of your imagination. They help you see what's possible, igniting a fire within you. Step 2. Believe it's your reality. Now, it's time to take that imagination and turn it into belief. When you hear others' success stories, those powerful words like, "If I can do it, you can do it," they're not just motivational quotes. They're the stairway to your dreams. Start by imagining it's possible, but don't stop there. Believe that what's possible is not just for others but for you. Your journey is unique, and your own testimonials matter. Tell yourself, "If I've done it once, I can do it again." You're closer than you think. Step 3. Transform dreams into reality. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. You're not just dreaming anymore, you're crafting your destiny. Whether you're starting a business, nurturing a relationship, or sparking a movement, your commitment and effort are the bridges between your dreams and reality. Make it tangible, make it viable, and breathe life into it. You have the power to shape your future. Step 4. Embrace resilience and adaptation. Along your journey, there will be obstacles and setbacks. But here's the secret ingredient: resilience. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about learning from it. Be flexible, adapt, and keep moving forward. Remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback. Your dreams are worth the effort. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a crucial role in your transformation. Surround yourself with positivity, mentors, and a supportive community. You become the average of the people you spend the most time with. So, choose wisely. Let positivity and inspiration fuel your journey. And there you have it, my fellow dreamers, 5 powerful steps to turn your imagination into reality. The power is in your hands, and I believe in you. It's time to embark on your miracle journey today. Let your imagination run wild, embrace the belief that it's possible for you, and take massive action. Your dreams are within reach. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And remember, your journey starts now. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and never stop turning your nothing into something extraordinary. Keep chasing those dreams and making them your reality.